In today's video, we are going to be creating a beautiful fall display in this cabinet that I got from World Market. We are going to be adding garland to the top of it. Inside, we are going with a completely moody fall look. I've been playing and let me just tell you, I'm in love with what I threw together this morning, and we're gonna fine tune it. And yeah, let's get started. I'm excited. Hey guys, happy Friday. Thank you for joining me. You guys are in for a treat today. I read your comments. I love you guys. And it seems to me that the majority of you have been missing the more is better girl. Well, I'm here to tell you she's back. I'm going to take you down because there are two key factors that are going to make this whole look go next level. Okay, before we begin, I want to talk about two key factors that are going to take this display next level. And the first one being lighting. Now, I shared this light with you guys over the summer. When I shared it, it sold out. And unfortunately, they have replaced this with something else. I believe it's similar to this, although you can use it with an app on your phone and you can have a multitude of different colors. I haven't purchased it yet, but I probably will, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But I'm obsessed with these little spotlights. I have about maybe 4 of them, and they have this little clicker. So you can do like a soft white, and then like a bright white, and then it's a warm white. But I absolutely love it. And I've been sticking them all over the house. And let me tell you, it has transformed boring spaces. Let me tell you, this little spotlight, wait till you see this display I'm gonna create up here and how gorgeous it's gonna look. The second thing I wanna share with you are these zip tie clips. They are adhesive, they stick on to anything. You can take a zip tie and then create a beautiful display. So I have one here, and one over here. Those zip tie adhesive clips are going to allow me to secure my garland because I didn't want to put nails in here, and I didn't want to use the command hooks because I don't know, they just have not been working like they used to. So we're gonna try these out, and fingers crossed they work. Okay, are you ready to get started? I am. Let's get into it. We are going to start with this huge fall leaf. And I remember I got these at Walmart years and years and years ago, and leaves and fall go hand in hand, and we're gonna make this the focal point. So that spotlight you see right there, I'm going to move it over sort of behind the leaf. Reason being, this is where the moody fall look is going to take place, right over there. See what I did there? I moved the light behind the leaf, and the light is cascading over this way, which is going to allow me to create my beautiful moody fall vignette right there. Now we need to conceal that whole area right there where the wires are. We don't want to see that, that's ugly. So let's start over there, and then we'll move over this way to the fun part. Okay, I have this rustic picture, and then I have some of these like really pretty floral stems. And I thought these would look beautiful kind of in here. I'm going to go in and add a pop of greenery. change of plans. Remember I told you guys I ordered 2 more of these little wreaths. I'm obsessed with these. These are so beautiful for fall. So organic and natural looking. And so I'm gonna squeeze this over here behind this. You'll see why.
I will make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it tomorrow.
So you can see the light kind of backlighting everything, and it just adds a nice textural backdrop that lends itself to fall. So anyway, we've got a pop of greenery. We're gonna add something here and tie it all together. Now we're gonna go in with the pheasant, perfect for fall. Guys, so look how pretty that is with the lighting kind of spilling off this way and this way. I guarantee you at night, this is gonna be gorgeous. I think that looks so pretty and so moody, almost like the sun is setting and the sun is kind of coming over this way and the pheasants over here, and you can see the fall leaves lit up. I love it. And you can see that beautiful wildflower wreath back there kind of lit up. It is so pretty. I haven't really figured out what to do on this shelf, but I ran out to the garage and I found this tray. And I thought I could create something on top of it that's festive and fun for the season. The greenery and the pitberry garland is being used as a backdrop, and then I'm going to add some natural looking pumpkins to that. Bunch of these on Amazon, and I thought one would be really pretty, kind of like right here. these from Michael's a while back. They're just little vases. They're not really gonna show up in this cabinet, but I'm just gonna add them on either side here, almost as like a little reflective property. Just to kind of fill in. All right, down below, I'm gonna use this little cutting board as a backdrop to tie in all the brown and beige pieces. Okay, so I think it turned out really, really cute, but I'm not stopping there. I'm gonna add some festive garland to the top. It's not gonna be like really, really poofy, but just enough wispiness and fallness to make my eyes happy. So this right here is my all-time favorite garland on Amazon. It's wispy, it's just so pretty. I'm going to be mixing it with 3 of these branches. So this will add in that sort of muted color. This is a little more bright. Some of you were asking for more traditional fall colors. I mean, I think that's kind of bright, but it's still kind of muted a little bit. So anyway, I think the two together are gonna be gorgeous. I am gonna just get up on my step stool behind me and see where we go with this. Adding 2 of these up there. And now I have some fairy lights. Should I try to string some through the top? Let's try it. Well, friends, I am loving how this turned out. It is so pretty. And I think at night, and I hit the fairy lights right in the corner over there. And the great part about these fairy lights is they're battery operated and you can set them on timers. You can dim them, you can brighten them. You can set them on different modes. I like the fairy lights because they're subtle and and just turn them off like this. Watch. All right, friends, that'll wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for joining me. You guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys back here next week for more fall decorating. Love y'all so much. Bye, guys.